Bring up Jonathan Smith.
Hello, reached the voicemail of Jonathan Smith at DWF Law. I'm sorry, I'm unable to take your call at the moment. If you'd like to leave your name and number, I will of course get back in touch with you as soon as I am able. Thank you.
Please leave your message after the tone. To re-record your message, key hash at any time.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Smith. It's Mr. Hussain here, once again leaving yourself another daily message like a broken record. Today is message number 128. I've left you 127 previous messages since the 18th of October 2023, and today is Friday the 23rd of February 2024. So time is around about 10 past 11. I'm once again leaving yourself a message asking you to engage with me rather than being cowardice and sending me letters through the post that you're going to do X, Y, and Z. You see how these things have worked out entirely in your favor. The fact that you've not really have to do anything, and the case has simply been won by default. And this was all clearly staged and stayed together. It was a joint enterprise being commissioned by Bradford Council, where your client had been acting as a proxy agent, and they've acted as a proxy agent previously. I've mentioned these things to you previously, haven't I? That in 2014, 10 years ago, in April 2014, your clients in the agents had come down, Nazneen Zafar and Jonathan Coles, and at which stage both my mother and my brother had signed over effective authority for me to act on their behalf. Those the documents should have been then passed on to Bradford Council's investigation at the time, thus negating their criminal conviction against me. And so this is what's happened in the past, and there's been a clear joint enterprise by your client, the Housing Association, and Bradford Council, which is now fully been evidenced and illustrated in these malicious court proceedings that have been going on for 2 years, that have resulted in my brother being unlawfully kidnapped from my care, where now your client, the Manningham Housing Association, is not just inculcated in this present enterprise, but has inculcated themselves in my mother's murder of January 2022. I'm within my rights to make these allegations. Your client cannot simply state that because I've made some serious allegations that they're not willing to give me a tenancy agreement, and the solution that you've managed to put together is to get the local authority to instruct the West Yorkshire Police to come and abduct my brother under falsified allegations of neglect, when the reality is that the local authority have been clearly commissioned to carry out these villainous acts of tyranny. I want to speak to you regarding my appeal application, which I'm hoping to lodge with yourself, but this seems to be like a one-way stream. The orders that direct me to engage with you, and you know the overriding principle of the courts is for parties to engage with each other. You have refused to engage with me and yet managed to get court orders, and to the tune of over £25,000. This is complete fraud, and you know it and I know it, and I require you to speak to me ASAP. Thank you very much.